Welcome to Krishnavedi Talent School Science Fair, and today we as a part of the Science Day we have prepared the model of working of eye, and this is the structure of eye, and this is the part called cornea and outermost layer of the eye, and inside there is a eye.
Good morning, sir. My name is Lahari. My name is Bhavanita. My name is Kirtana. We are from 6th standard. First of all, I wish you a very happy National Science Day. And today's our topic is about the working the model of Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan-3 is the third lunar mission of Indian Space Research Organization. It was launched on 14 July 2023 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning, sir. My name is M. Harsha from 10th standard. As a part of science exhibition in KTS, we have taken the topic of pollution. So, pollution are four types of pollution in our environment. That is air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. And air is mainly released from the industries. With the gas which is coming from the industries, that is contaminating in the environment, like carbon dioxide and another chemical substances. They will intermix with the air, and they will responsible for our health issues and respiratory disorders. And
Hemodialysis is nothing but it is a medical treatment which clean the blood in our body when the two kidneys are failed. This process is called hemodialysis. The blood is taken from the main artery. Anticoagulant such as heparin. This process is called hemodialysis. It's separated by the dialyzer, which is made up of cellophane, and emptied by the dialyzer fluid. It takes up to 3 to 6 hours. Good morning to everyone. Myself Brahmani of 9th class. First of all, I wish you all a happy Science Day. So today's the project is non-Newtonian fluid. This is non-Newtonian fluid. Now what is special in this is that when we apply a lot of pressure like this, you can see. When we apply a lot of pressure, it is not coming out, it is solid. But when we apply it very slowly, for example, I am using my hand.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Dikshita. This is Ananya. We are from 6th standard. This is air pollution model. Air pollution is a huge global health problem. You heard a lot about climate changing and carbon dioxide and duplication of ozone layer, but you don't know as much as about air pollution. Many cities around the world have poor air quality. Air pollution kills 3 million people in each year. Air pollution comes from sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and carbon dioxide. Lead examination of gasoline.
My name is Maitri Bhargava.
my name is Kedarnath.
My name is Saivarshi.
Our project name is hydraulic JCB working model.
Good morning to all. I am Dikshita from 8th standard. So our project name is nuclear reaction model. So in our nowadays nuclear reaction is energy requirement is very much more. So it is a good option for nuclear reaction. Nuclear reaction originates from the splitting of uranium, process known as nuclear fission. So it does not pollute our environment. Why? Because it does not produce any greenhouse.
This is Harshi Sharma from 10th standard. So today we are showing the security model. This is a laser security model. We can use it in our daily life. It is very useful also for us.
I am Harshit Sharma from 6th standard, and today we prepared fire alarm, and this fire alarm is useful for our life, and it is useful for hospitals, schools, etc.
Myself Shanvishri.
Good afternoon, one and all. Myself, I am Jilakshita from 8th standard.
So today our topic is about solar boat. Solar boat will work on sunrise. When sun will come, the solar panel will absorb the heat of sun.
Hit, and this is my team. First of all, I wish you all a very happy National Science Day. This day holds significant importance as it provides a platform to memorialize the remarkable contribution made by scientists in science and technology. Today our topic is days and nights and how they are caused. The Earth orbits the Sun once every 365 days and rotates about its axis every 24 hours.
సైన్స్ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. నేను రఫా సుల్తానా, ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఆఫ్ కృష్ణవేణి టాలెంట్ స్కూల్. అందరికీ కూడా స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం. నేటి కార్యక్రమం యొక్క విశేషత ఏంటంటే, మన ఇండియాలోనే మొట్టమొదటిగా రామన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ని కనుగొన్నటువంటి సివి రామన్ గారు ఆకాశం నీలిరంగులో ఎందుకు ఉంటుంది, నక్షత్రాలు పగలు ఎందుకు కనిపించవు, అలాంటి అన్నింటికీ సమాధానమే సివి రామన్ కనుగొన్నటువంటి రామన్ ఎఫెక్ట్. ఆనాడే 1930లో రామన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ కనుగొనబడింది. అతని రామన్ ఎఫెక్ట్ కనుగొనబడినటువంటి రోజునే మనము నేషనల్ సైన్స్ దినోత్సవంగా జరుపుకుంటూ ఉన్నాము. భౌతిక శాస్త్రంలో మొట్టమొదటి నోబెల్ పురస్కార గ్రహీత మన సివి రామన్ గారు. ప్రతి ఏటా కూడా మనం నేషనల్ సైన్స్ దినోత్సవాన్ని చాలా ఘనంగా జరుపుతున్నాము. మన పిల్లల్లో అనేక మంది పిల్లలు కూడా సైన్స్ పట్ల కూడా ఎక్కువ ఆసక్తి చూపుతూ ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళ యొక్క డ్రీమ్స్ అనేవి కూడా చాలామంది డాక్టర్స్ అలాంటి డ్రీమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. వాళ్ళ యొక్క సృజనాత్మకతను మనము వెలికి తీయాలనేటటువంటి ఉద్దేశంతో పిల్లలకు మన సైన్స్ టీచర్స్ ద్వారా వాళ్ళ గైడెన్స్, వాళ్ళ ఆధ్వర్యం లోపల వాళ్ళకు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. వాళ్ళు కూడా చాలా రకరకాలైనటువంటి మోడల్స్ ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ చేయడం జరిగింది.